Father, your passing has created a silence that words cannot fully describe. Yet the echo of your presence speaks louder than ever. Your life showed me that gifts are not accidents. Every song, every story, every individual you've inspired carries a piece of you forward. In that continuity, I find comfort. Father, you lived a life that was both a testimony and a message. A reminder that true artistry is a calling, measured not in noise or applause, but in heart. You taught me that greatness is found in courage, the courage to express yourself, the courage to fearlessly trust in the power of one's own voice. I'm proud to bear your name. I'm honored to continue your story. We are grateful beyond measure for you, Father, for the privilege of having been loved by you in ways only you could. May your legacy continue to rise, inspire, and bless generations yet to come. For truth belongs to time, and time will honor you. Legends never die.